drive by it so you can see it.
Look at that! I got a stork! Gwen Ann! Oh. We made it home! A little fur hat. Sound asleep all the way home.
I'll get her from that side.
Okay. Gotta go see my stork. It's so cute. I love it. No, I gotta see Molly.
Molly's in bed.
Oh, okay.
Come on, baby. Molly?
Yeah.
Molly, we're home. Wanna look at Molly first?
Yeah. Hey! Cuddles! Molly! Hi! Hi, Sleepy! Hi, I missed you! Come on! Let's go see the baby, Molly!
We got a present for you. Go find your baby.
Go find the baby!
Go find your baby. Look.
Come on, let's go! Go find the baby! Look! Look! Oh, Molly, what's that?
That's your baby, Molly.
What's that, Molly? Look at this.
Molly, that's your baby.
Good girl, good girl. You're so funny.
Molly, come see her.
Ooh, look at this, Molly. I missed you too. She's rubbing all over me.
Molly, who's this? It's your sister.
It's a baby, Molly. Oh. She just wants to play. Alright, no big reaction. Alright, wave hi, Daddy. We made it home.
Oh,